In this video, I want to share something pretty incredible and brand new with you guys. What if I told you there's not one, or two but three amazing tools that can put an extra $600 right in your pocket for free and without really doing anything? This isn't a gimmick, it's a fantastic opportunity that's waiting just for you. Downloading these apps won't cost you a dime, it's absolutely free. In a nutshell, the first two apps will pay you just for installing them. But here's the grand finale. The third app has the potential to put a whopping $600 in your account without any complicated tasks. Trust me, you're about to hit the jackpot. Before you start, it's important to have your very own PayPal account ready. Don't worry, the process is simple and I'll guide you through it. To begin, head over to the official PayPal website, which you can find at paypal.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Create Account option. Now, enter some basic information like your name, email address, and create a strong password. Once you've completed the sign up process, you'll be able to log into your brand new PayPal account. This is where you will see your treasure grow. For some reason, if PayPal isn't available in your country or you just don't want to use it, consider opening your online bank account. Just fire up Google and search for online banking options in your country. Look for a reputable bank that offers online account creation. Many of them do. Sign up for an account and you'll be good to go. Remember, whether you choose PayPal or online banking, the goal is to get you set up with a convenient way to manage your finances. Now, before we dive into the grand reveal which could make $1,000 in your pocket, I want to take a moment and introduce you to two exciting apps. All you need to do is install these apps and let them quietly work their magic in the background. It's like having your own little money-making assistants working around the clock, making you passive income while you sit back and relax. Have you ever heard of CashMagnet.com? This nifty app could be your ticket to some free passive income. It's like a magnet for cash, and this one's exclusive to Android. So, what's the deal with CashMagnet? Well, it's a clever app that's going to fatten your wallet. And guess what? You don't have to lift a finger. Just kick back and watch some ads or enjoy some games. While you're catching Z's, having lunch, soaking in the sun, reading headlines, or doing your daily thing, CashMagnet is silently doing its thing, making you money. Imagine this, after just a few months of letting CashMagnet do its magic, you might be counting several times more in your piggy bank. With that extra stash, you could even treat yourself to something that's been on your wish list for so long. It's a strategy that thousands of satisfied users have been using to practically get themselves a free upgrade. And hey, rest assured, it's as safe as can be. They promise not to touch your data or preferences after a couple of months. So, it's a win-win situation. Simply, head over to CashMagnetApp.com to dig deeper into the details, and once done that, install the app on your device. Now, if you're wary about having it on your main phone, no problem. You can grab an old device, one that's collecting dust perhaps, and put CashMagnet to work on it. And wait, before you start calculating costs in your head, here's the icing on the cake, it's all absolutely free. Yep, no payments needed. So, why not give it a shot? After all, there's nothing to lose and some easy extra cash to gain. While doing my research, I stumbled upon this interesting website called MoneySMSapp.com, and I immediately decided to share it with you guys. First, we need to visit their official website, but if you guys don't want to go through the hassle of taking these steps, cut to the chase and install their app straight onto your smartphones. This app is totally free. The model of this app lies in receiving SMS messages. Yes, those text messages we get all the time. The system sends you messages, and you earn money just for receiving them. Plus, you don't even need to reply to these messages. You can read them and delete them but still get paid for each and every one of them. Here's the drill. Grab your smartphone, install the app, create an account, and that's it. You'll start getting these random messages, and each one is money in the bank. Now, remember, this app is Android exclusive. Sorry, iPhone folks, this one's not for you. But hey, iPhone users, I've got something in store for you guys as well. So, make sure to stick around. And here's a reassuring bit. Your privacy is totally intact. The app only reads its own SMS, not your personal stuff. So, no worries about your messages being snooped on. This app not only lets you make money for yourself but also for being a great friend. They've got this cool referral program where you can earn a sweet 30% of what your referrals earn. Imagine referring a pal, and every time they make $100, you get 30, forever. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. And you know what's even cooler? It's completely free. No hidden fees, no strings attached. Plus, they've got a bunch of happy users raving about their earnings and how this whole thing works like a charm. Let me give you guys a tour of this website. After completing the sign-up process, you'll see your dashboard, and how it all works. It's pretty straightforward. Wondering if this is a scam or the real deal? I totally get it. It's crucial to be cautious online. If you're having doubts about whether they actually pay the users, I'd suggest looking into the proof of payment that numerous users have shared on an independent website. It's a smart move to make sure you're not getting caught up in anything fishy. Now, when it comes to your privacy, they've got it covered. They've taken all the necessary steps to ensure they're in line with the latest GDPR privacy regulations. So, you can feel better about your personal info being in safe hands. If you're looking to dig deeper, you can find more info about them on their website. And trust me, this isn't just smoke and mirrors. Real people are raking in cash from it. I've put in the time to research this extensively, and I can vouch for the fact that this website is legit and actually works. So, go ahead and explore with confidence. So, there you have it, MoneySMSApp.com, a potentially fun and easy way to earn a bit extra without breaking a sweat. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of the last app on our list, Current.us. Brace yourselves, because this app is about to turn your music-loving hobby into a money-making venture. I'm thrilled to introduce you to an app that has the potential to put an extra $600 in your pocket every year, just by indulging in your passion for music. The best part is, this app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Here, you will get paid for doing something you probably do every day, listening to music. It's as simple as downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and you're on your way to earning cash while enjoying your favorite tunes. Your job is to let the music play, and as the melodies flow, the dollars start stacking up. The magic is in the points. The more you listen, the more points you accumulate. These points can be exchanged for goodies from your favorite brands and so much more. Now, before you start envisioning some obscure playlist, let me set things straight. You're not confined to random SoundCloud tracks that make you question your taste. It's time to ditch the tunes you don't connect with and relish the beats that truly resonate with you. Picture this, 100,000 radio stations at your fingertips, just waiting for you to explore. You can hop from one genre to another, discovering new favorites and rediscovering old gems. So, fellow music lovers, why not let your favorite melodies pay the bills? Dive into the Current app and watch the rewards roll in. And there you have it, folks. As we wrap up this video, I hope you found it not only informative but also entertaining. If you've enjoyed the content we've brought you today, I'd like to kindly ask you for a quick favor that goes a long way in supporting us. First and foremost, if you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that like button just below this video. Your likes let us know that we're on the right track, and they also help this video reach a wider audience who might also find value in what we've shared here. Sharing is caring, they say, so if you've learned something new or think this video could bring a smile or insight to your friends, don't hesitate to share it. By hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell icon right next to it, you'll ensure that you never miss an update from us. We're genuinely interested in what you, our viewers, have to say. So, take a moment to drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts about this video, or better yet, until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep exploring.